Racing just is started. We have all my life. First to show quickness at the start. Brown baby moving up the outside. High earnings. My dropping in the middle portion. As Sikura. Blue eyes gracious host comes next. Racing second last is Mr. Environment. While Bertong Balutan is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn. We have high earnings by our length. Moving up on the outside is My Jopeng. Brown Babies racing in third, then followed over by Blue Eyes. Next on that is Kuda. All My Life is running by the rail, then followed over by entry number 4 Gracious Host Mr. Environment, while Bertong Balutan is still racing in less. Back to the leader. We have high earnings by our length and a half. And in second is My Jopeng. All My Life. Now coming closer in third. Then comes Blue Eyes as Sigura Gracious Host. Mr. Environment now moving up on the outside. Bertong Balutan, while Brown Baby now racing in less than they are now entering the home stretch. We have high earnings. My Jopeng. All My Life moving up on the outside as they swing for home. High earnings. All My Life moving up on the outside to take the lead. My Jopeng in third, and on the outside Mr. Environment. Last 100 meters we have All My Life followed by Mr. Environment in second, and finally it's All My Life. Mr. Environment, My Jopeng as Sikuda, high earnings. Then comes Bertong Balutan.